In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a site in Wix Editor. Embedding a site inside your Wix website is a great way to show external content without making visitors leave your page. This could be a booking system, a form, a dashboard, or even another public web page that you want to display. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your external site showing directly on your Wix page. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor. Once you're on the page where you want the embedded site to appear, look for the plus icon, usually on the left side of the editor. This plus sign is the add button, and it's what you use whenever you want to add a new element to your page. Go ahead and click that plus icon to open the list of elements you can add. A panel will slide out showing different categories like text, images, galleries, and more. From this list, find and click on the option called Embed Code. This section is specifically designed for bringing in outside content, whether it's a widget, a custom HTML snippet, or an entire website. After clicking Embed Code, you'll see several options. Here, select Embed Site. This tells Wix that you want to embed a full website, not just a small piece of code or a widget. When you choose Embed Site, Wix will place a rectangular frame on your page. This frame represents the area where the external website will appear. Next, with that frame selected, look for the settings panel that appears, usually on the right or just above the frame. In that panel, you'll see a field labeled something like website address or URL. Click inside that website address field so you can enter the link you want to embed. Now, go to your browser, copy the full URL of the site you'd like to display, and then come back to Wix and paste that link into the website address field. Make sure the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and that it's a public site that allows embedding. Once the link is pasted, click the Apply button. After a moment, the frame on your page should load a live view of that external site. You can then drag the corners to